Alright y'all, hey y'all, hey, Arikat B coming back with y'all with another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Arikat B. Do a little bit of everything over here. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and put the notifications on so you know when I'm on here, sis. Alright. Yeah, I'm looking like the bald-headed baddie. Just did a fresh braid down for this wig I got for y'all off Amazon. We got us a little Amazon hollow, okay? And it's still in the package. If you want the link for this wig, I can send it to you if you want, but this is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money just to try out this wig and show it to y'all. So I got the specs in front of me. I ordered this wig July 17th, and I got it today, which is August 3rd. So that's the day I'm recording this video, and that's the day I seen it right here downstairs in my apartment. So yeah, so let me go ahead and open up the thing and give y'all the name. The name of this wig is called Noble Ombre Brown Long Wavy Wig. Hold on, you know it got 50 parts to it. Noble Ombre Brown Long Wavy Wig T-part HD lace front wig for women. 6-inch deep middle lace part, heat resistant synthetic water wave lace front. Wigs for daily party use, 32 inches. Baby, what got me was the price. For all of that, 32 inches, $7.99. And I'm looking at this as of today, and it's still showing $7.99, saying it's 20% off limited time deal. It's not giving me a countdown of how many left, or it says 6 left in order, left in stock. So order soon. All right. It has about, let me see, how many reviews? Ooh. It has about 71 reviews. And it actually has people with pictures and stuff on here. But look, I really was just trying it out because it was really cheap. It was one girl that had a video up of an unboxing, but she didn't put it on. So I was like, all right, we're going to take our chances. We only paying $7.99. So let's go ahead and open this package. All right, y'all. So, go ahead and use this wig cap. Even though all my hair is flat. Y'all, this is what they call the beehive braid. Y'all, this is my favorite type of braiding. I prefer this over the straight backs, okay? The cornrows. I actually prefer beehive because it's literally the flattest, flat, completely flat. If you have thicker / longer hair or one or the other, I do recommend doing smaller wraps around. But my hair is short, so look, thick, but look, I'm just be wearing this under a wig. I ain't gotta do too much. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Yeah, take it out. This kind of look like the other thing the other wig I got from Amazon. There we go. That's how it's looking. I'll go ahead and open it on camera. This is the top. I'm gonna just remove that, and this is how it's looking. So let me show y'all what's in here. So right on top, I see we got the wig cap. We got the wig itself with the tag on it. The wig. And it is saying that it is WSF Lace Soto color SOP 43026 if y'all want to screenshot it. And yeah, let's go ahead and take this off. Take her out the neck. I'm not going to glue it down. I'm just going to put it on for now. Just because, y'all, I'm finna go to bed. After I do this video and do this voiceover, I'm sorry, I'm finna go to bed. So yeah, we're not going to glue her on. We just going to pop her on and see what she looking like. Let me take this little tag off for her. Okay, so here she go. She's supposed to be, let me go back and clarify, y'all. I think I said 32 inches, right? Yeah, she's supposed to be 32 inches. Y'all know I'm 5'1". I'm gonna stand up for y'all in a second because I ain't got on the proper clothes right now. But she is hitting my top of my leg with me sitting down. And it may be even lower. It's like touching my knee, me sitting down. So let me go ahead and stand up and show y'all how it's looking on me. Alright, y'all. So for reference, I went ahead and got up. I'm 5'1", y'all. So me holding it up against myself, it is touching my hip. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on. But this is how she looks. Straight out the package. I didn't brush it. Y'all saw I just took it out. I didn't run my fingers through it or nothing. Has a middle part. And the lace is looking like this. With that T part. And it's combs on the side and one in the back. I haven't adjusted anything yet. I'm just going to pop it on for y'all. It feels a little snug. Hold on, let me adjust her. Oh, it's not snug. I just need to. Hold on, maybe it is snug. Hold on, y'all. Look. Let me get in the camera. Oh, I just got my wig cap pulled up too far. Hold on. And she feels small, and I ain't got no big old head, y'all. No, she's snug, because I do not have no big old head, y'all. Oh, she's small. I literally do not have no big old head. I don't know if it's because I ain't cut the lace yet, but look, let's just... Yeah, she's snug, which is a good thing. She's not tight. It's just I need to pull her up. Okay, there we go. It's also because of the lace ain't cut yet, too. So that's how she's looking on. Ain't did nothing to her yet. Don't know if she gonna tangle or nothing, but that's how she looking. Definitely gonna have to, you know, do some detailing up here and cut the lace and all of that. Did it come with some baby hair? Would you call that a little piece of baby hair? I guess it don't come with no baby hair. Y'all, I just wanted to try out this little hollow. Look, let me stand back up. So, this is it to the back, and it is touching right at my butt. Right there. And then if I turn around, it's touching my waist. So it's pretty long. Feels okay. I mean, it feels like it's a synthetic wig, so running my fingers through it, it's going through. Feel like if you keep running your fingers through it, it's gonna make it puffy. You could probably tame me with some mousse. Debating if I'm gonna wear this upcoming weekend, so y'all probably see me actually like install it with the glue and all of that, but for now, y'all, I just wanted to give y'all an initial review and unboxing of the wig. And I was saying I didn't want to cut the lace yet because I do plan on maybe wearing this hair for this weekend coming up. So I just wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing initial review. But yeah, so far I like it just off of initialness. But I'll be able to really tell y'all how it is over the weekend if I decide to wear this hair. Because I have another wig that, you know, is a little bit older and I haven't worn it yet that I may wear. So, yeah, y'all, that is this hair. You know, like I said, you definitely have to do a little bit of customization, but it's looking cute. And yeah, y'all, that is the initial review and unboxing for this wig. Like I said, if you want the link, just let me know. This is not a sponsored video. Bought this with my own money. And yeah, y'all, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I love lurking it with y'all in the comments. I love interacting with y'all in the comments. If I don't get back to you in your comment or email, be patient with me. And y'all have a blessed day. And love y'all. Bye.